my friends, this video is all about May because I have a feeling you have been just as busy as I have been doing, right? We are so busy nowadays. Life gets in the way. We need to have our crafting time. And I have a feeling you might have missed one or two of the new items we released this month. So I just want to do an overview or a recap of everything we did this month because I don't want you to miss out. Now, the first item I'm going to share with you, you can't get. It's gone. Unless it's, yeah, I don't know what day we're releasing this video. Yeah, it's gone. But it was our Fold It Club, our cute little sassy bird. Look how adorable she is. She's so adorable. And you know what? If you're not in the Fold It Club, you can't get her. The Fold It Club is exclusive, my friends. That means once that month is over, you cannot get it. So make sure you join our Fold It Club ASAP so you do not miss out on another one. Now, we started the month off with our tropical vibe. We have our fun Hawaiian shirts, and let me just tell you, they are so adorable and so fun. Look at this one. Oh, this one also is using our palm frame, our palm leaf frame. It is so gorgeous. You can use it vertical or horizontal, and look at how easy and fun it is. And it, of course, coordinates perfectly with our stamps and dies for this month. Here's another show of the palm frame. I absolutely love it with our cute little toucan. Here's another example of our stamps and dies using the Hawaiian t-shirt, the tropical vibe. I love it. This one you can make your own pattern paper with, as easy peasy. Then we released our Try A2 background die. It's all about this theme, right? You see in the vacation theme, the Hawaiian theme, love it. Then we also released, oh, and this is the Miller winner. This is the winner of the month. This is our 70s bus. Miller picked this one as his favorite. I will be honest, I think this one's my favorite because it's using all these little tiny dies that are in our club set for this month. All of those little dies are in our club set. Yes, they are. It is true. Just saying. We also released this fun fold and pop card. Look how adorable it is. It pops open. So much to look at, but you know what? The best part? Fold flat for mailing, A2 in size. Pops open, and there you go. You can write on the back, give your little message on the back, and look how cute that is. I absolutely love it. Next, we have, oh, another palm frame. You had to get another one in here. Look at this. This is a shaker. Love it. And look, that big thanks is available on the website. Isn't that gorgeous? I absolutely love that. Ooh, we also released the Circle Happy Summer. Fits perfectly on our large circle flip it die, but look at how cute that is. I love it. Oh, make your own background paper using the sayings from the Tropical Vibe set. Here's another A2 background with that fun palm leaf, the waves. The waves are my favorite, I'll be honest. Sending warm breezes your way. I love that sandcastle too. Oh, Kit Club. If we have any left, get it now. The Kit Club came with an A1 pineapple fold it. Ah, I know. Every month for the rest of this year and probably a little bit into next year too as well, you will get an A1 card base in every single monthly card kit box. I know, right? It's awesome. It's so awesome. Sending smiles. Oh, remember that fun nested die? Oh, whoops, sorry, upside down. Look at how gorgeous this is. Michelle turned it into a card. Look at how beautiful that is, 5 by 7. Isn't that fantastic? Or you can turn it into a shaker card like this one. Love this one. Same idea, but it's a shaker also. I love it. So fun. Oh, there's a baby bib. You know some more baby stuff's coming. Here we go. Here's our cute little baby bib. It came with a whole bunch of different little animals. Ducky, bunny, bear, kitty cat, and doggy for the bib. Oh, here's another example of that bib on an A2 size card. I absolutely love it. Look how cute. Sweet bundle of joy. Here we go. Oh, our slimline background. This is our mini slimline background. It's a double, meaning there's 2 different panels and they're mix and matchable from our other ones that we've already released, of course, right? Ooh, let's celebrate the USA. And this patriotic die set is really fun. It can be used with the stars or without the stars. Ooh, and our thanks for the military. Very, very important stamp set. If you sent any cards overseas to the military just to say thank you, or even locally, or police officers, firefighters, even teachers. This stamp set is really awesome. I really want you to check this one out. It's really important that we give thanks for these people, right? Ooh, stars. I cannot believe we've been in business 14 and a half years and I did not have nested stars. Boing. You know, it's like, seriously, what? Ooh, fireworks. You gotta love your fireworks. Look at those with our holographic paper in the background. So stunning. Love those. Ooh, limited time. This one is a limited time. The day-by-day kit, very limited. Once it's gone forever. Luckily, Ken found some and we have them now on the site. It also includes that die set, Hello Special Friend. Go check it out. And for a limited time also, we have our day-to-day black and white pattern paper set. Go check it out, thestampsoflife.com. If you missed any of these items, club members, don't worry. Rest assured, you are getting 15 to 20% off of all of these items every single day, every single item, every single order. It's pretty amazing, huh? Yeah, pretty amazing. Now, if you're not in a club, I don't know what to say. You are missing out. Join just the Stamp Club. Now, we have a lot of other clubs. They're all awesome. They're all fun. But get your toes wet. Join the Stamp Club, $13.99 a month. The monthly commitment's only 3 months. If after 3 months you decide you don't like us, you can quit. But you won't want to. You're going to have too much fun. Also, check us out on Facebook, the Stamps of Life official fan page. Make sure you search the Stamps of Life official fan page. Go check it out. It's just a fun, happy, safe place to be. You can share your creations, you can ask questions, and you can be with kind, nice, loving people. Go check it out, stampsoflife.com. I'll see you there. Bye-bye.
much for watching. Now, make sure you subscribe to our channel right below us here so you don't miss out on any of our videos. You'll also have the option to click the Shop Now button or check out some of these other videos that we have on YouTube, because you know what? You're going to love them. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.